How to create a professional thumbnail and YouTube banner in just 30 seconds. The secrets that no influencers have ever tell you. Viewers. How to create a thumbnail in just 30 seconds using AI. The first thing you need to do is to write a prompt that describes how you want your thumbnail to be. Here is my prompt. Create a bold and professional YouTube thumbnail for a free YouTube success class featuring Godwin. Use my uploaded picture, placing me on one side of the thumbnail, looking confident and welcoming. On the other side, add eye-catching, bold text that says, Free YouTube Success Class, in red and white. Include YouTube icons, logo, subscribe button, views counter, floating around. Use a modern, clean layout with energetic colors like red, black, and white. Make the background look like a digital studio or YouTube dashboard to reflect authority and tech vibes. After writing the prompt, take it to ChatGPT and then upload the picture you want to use for the thumbnail. Once you are done, enter generate. It will wait for some seconds for it to generate, as you can see. Processing image. Lots of people are creating images right now, so this might take a bit. We'll notify you when your image is ready. After a few minutes, the thumbnail is now ready. Congratulations, you are now free to download. The same thing with your YouTube banner. The first thing you need to do is to write a prompt that describes how you want your banner to be. Here is my prompt. Design a clean, professional YouTube channel banner featuring Godwin. Use the uploaded picture. Position him on the right side with a confident, approachable expression. The background should be a blend of light tech textures, like subtle grids, abstract waves, or gradient overlays, in red, black, and white tones. Include bold text in the center left that says, Godwin Digital Creator Learn, Create, Grow. Add subtle icons for YouTube, content creation, and education to reflect media and success themes. Make sure the layout works well on all devices, TV, desktop, mobile, keeping the focus area centered. After writing the prompt, take it back to ChatGPT and then upload the picture you want to use for the thumbnail. Once you are done, enter generate. You will wait for some seconds for it to generate, as you can see. I will drop the prompt at the description box so that you can copy, edit and use. Now congratulations, your YouTube banner is ready. You can now download and upload it on your YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also, you can also join my free classes on digital market, web design, affiliate program and also social media monetization classes. On my next class, I will take you secret ways to make $1,000 to $10,000 even at low subscribers, the secret that no influencers and content creator has never